Hi, hello, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix sound or audio problems on your Windows 10 device. Yes guys, if you are experiencing any problem with related sound or audio on your laptop, then this is the right video for you. If you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will get new video notifications at first. Okay, then let's jump to the tutorial. Starting with first method, you'll find sound icon here, that is the speaker icon. So click on that and make sure you have not reduced the volume to mute them. So some cases you forgot, that is the volume is muted. So make sure you have set it to right side. So that is increasing the volume. So once you ensure this one, please check whether the sound is working or not by playing any media file. If it's not working, then move to the second method. That is, again go to the icon and right click on that and select troubleshoot sound problems. Then this is a smart system built in Windows which help you to fix the audio problems. So now you will find, do you have your consent to proceed with the diagnostics and try automated steps to fix the problem. Say yes here, then it will start to scan the problems on your system. For example, it's scanning the problems and play a beep sound. If you hear that, that means the sound is working in your system. The beep. So that's why it's asking the first question. Did you hear the sound beep? I have heard, so I will say yes. If you don't hear, then say no. Then it will try other ways. So this is how we can use the troubleshoot sound problems function. Now close the window. So if you don't find the problem is fixed, then move to the third method. That is device manager. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Device Manager. In the best match result, you will find Device Manager in the control panel. Click on that. Now find Sound, Video and Game Controllers. You can expand by clicking on that. Now find High Definition Audio Device. So right click on that and select Properties. Then go to the driver. Then find Update Driver. Click on that. Now select the second option, that is Browse My Computer for Drivers. Click on that. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click. Then make sure you have selected Show Compatible Hardware. Then you will find single or multiple drivers which is recommending for the audio problems. So select the latest version and say next and install. So once it is installed, restart your device once and check whether the problem is solved or not. If sound is not still hearing, then close the window, again come to the device manager and go to the update driver on the sound and system. Then select Browse My Computer, then Let me pick and select the second or third drive, then install. Now close the window. So once you apply each changes, you should restart your system. So then this setting will apply. Still problem is not solved, then move to the fourth method, that is playback devices. So right click on the icon again and select Open Sound Settings. Then scroll down and you will find advanced sound options. So click on the app volume and device preferences, then hit on the reset button. Then close the window and restart once your system. Again go to the icon, right click on that and select speaker setup and then select advanced setup. Then by default the system has set to the speaker now. So this is my speaker which is currently set. So then click on the speaker, then select properties, then go to enhancements and select disable all enhancements. Then apply and say OK. Now you need to restart your device once to check whether the sound is working or not. If it's still there, then come again to the sound settings, then select the speaker and properties and go to advanced, and here in the default format you need to select the last option, then apply, and here you will find test button. Come here and test. You can see here green bars are appearing, that means the sound is working in my computer. If in your case it's not working, then again come here and select the next option and apply and test. So select each options and try to test the audio. So that's it friends, this is how we can fix any sound or audio problems on Windows 10 with these 5 methods. Hope this helps. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.